What is going on, everybody? Today we're in North Carolina at
South Mountain
State Park. We're going to check some of the trails out. So let's go check them out. Get it going then. So we're on this main trail. Looks like this leads down to something.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Is that maybe a little amphitheater?
I don't know. I'm sure it's going to tell us right here on this thing. So we'll see.
I got a feeling that's not going to be the case.
Yeah. Pretty nice. Pretty nice out there. Beautiful.
A little too chilly for a swim.
Say what?
A little too chilly for a
A little
swim.
too chilly for a swim? Let me go see this piece right here. It's just broke. That's crazy. Look at that. That's wow. So cool. Come on, boy. Still a lot more to see. Got a long way to go.
Oh look, one of the millipedes.
Oh, look at that little millipede. There he goes.
Oh. The valley is.
All this was probably carved out by what you said.
Yeah, this whole valley, I would think.
Yeah. We got a little elevation here. Yeah. Here we
Yeah,
go.
it's a nice smooth uphill though.
It's nice smooth up here.
Ooh, looks cave-like.
Yeah. Sweet. Yeah. Oh. Should go this way.
of daisies. Come on, man. Coolness in here.
True coolness. True coolness. So that was Big Bear Falls that we seen, right?
That's right.
Cool. Big Bear Falls right here at wherever
South Mountain
South
State
Mountain
Park.
State Park. Boy. In North Carolina. We don't even know exactly what county
Not all who wander are
completely.
lost,
That's right.
but sometimes we are.
Yeah, sometimes we are. Yeah. Yeah, Max, I think you just wandered off to a dead end, buddy. Nah, not really a dead end,
Get across. It's not
but yeah. I don't know what you want to go through for. Like Bigfoot's been through there. That's pretty cool.
It's like an octopus's tentacles.
Right?
Chestnut Knob Trail.
That's the Chestnut Knob Trail.
Nice. Well, we're definitely going to have to go up that way.
The Chestnut Knob. See where it shall take us and what we shall see amongst the trail.
Some of them.
Well, the sun show is out now.
Oh, it feels good though.
That feels good, huh?
It's nice and warm.
Nice and warm.
Not too warm.
Not too warm, but nice and warm. So it's just right, huh?
Just right.
Cool. So it was what was the trail?
2.6.
2.6 strenuously it says. We'll see. We'll see how strenuously it is. See these little flowers here everywhere, huh?
It's a neat little flower.
Yeah. Super cool.
See the other side?
Super cool.
Ferns.
Do what?
The ferns.
The ferns. Ferns. The ferns.
No, just ferns.
What you looking at?
Oh, just
Just everything, huh?
yeah.
Fiddle ferns?
I think so.
What's fiddle ferns?
Fiddle ferns. I think that's the type of fern that's growing out here.
Oh. Fiddle ferns.
Yeah. Up and away.
Up and away.
It's not too bad though. It's not like terribly steep the whole way.
No.
Kind of nice to have a little steep spot and then level out.
Yeah. Fiddle ferns. Alright. Still strolling.
Up and down.
Yeah.
Mostly up.
Trying to see if it's going to open up and have like a view advantage or something,
I think.
but I don't know.
Oh, definitely was a fire through here.
Controlled burn.
Probably.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah.
These are sweet.
I do not know what they are, but they're pretty.
They are pretty. Very nice.
Look those up.
Very cool. No ducking.
Come on.
All right. Nice.
Not bad at all.
Nope.
Wow. Never seen one of those either.
Nice. Ready to climb these steps?
I'm ready.
I should have got some water too, but I'll get some in a minute, I guess.
Go ahead, Max. You got it.
Gotta get them up. Get it up. That's a good bit of them, huh?
Yeah. They don't call it a hike for nothing.
Nah, talking about the steps. And they don't call it a hike for nothing.
Oh. Holler.
Holler. She holler. Have your seat.
Burn.
Have your seat, Lauren.
Oh, come here, Max. Come here, buddy. Oh, it's a squirrel. Hey. He sees a squirrel. another holy tree.
It's a good old hike, isn't it? Decent.
That was nice. I like it. Very nice.
She said it was nice, and I ain't over with yet. No,
Huh?
he said that was nice. Yeah, not too bad.
Just laying down on the job. Back to the roots again. Along the trail.
See, we got a splitter.
Oh, wow.
Good old splitter. That's a little bit of a chunky trail, isn't it?
It is. Makes it interesting.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Trailing along, uphill we go, singing our song.
Boy.
Nice. Oh, I thought he was grumbling.
No, he was just scratching.
Come on, walk up. For sure.
He's mixed with Cocker. Yeah, he's a Cockalier. Cavalier King Charles and Cocker Spaniel mix. Right, yeah. Bring some snacks and everything.
This harness he has on, you can attach saddlebags to it. So when I go like backpacking, I'll hook some saddlebags on it.
This one, thanks.
Yeah. Better get stepped on, buddy.
What's that on?
Don't walk over here, nice. Wow.
Guys, you want to see it? I might regret it. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Living on the edge. Oh! Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.